Alright guys, time to introduce you to another member of the Driven group. First I'll show you his car. This is Matthew's MK1 MX5. I'll throw a picture in if we've got one of when he first bought it. It's probably one of the worst examples of an MX5 you've ever seen, but he's putting the time and effort in and I think it should turn out really nice. The whole underside is completely rusted out, but he has plans for welding and stuff, and to be fair to him, he's made a crack on it. Wings, I'll show you his old wings. They're ruined, but put some new wings on it. He's also bought the Firefly juice kit, a bit like mine but not the bendy one sort of thing. He has unfortunately full like Eunice look-alike swapped it, so he's got the Eunice plate holder even though it is a UK spec, but it's looking nice. We went to a scrapyard to find it, and pulling it off he did break it, but we did fix it and it's unfortunately broke again.
Got my old wheels on it, some JR19s, looking pretty nice.
Those are of course Watanabe reps, I believe. Put some clips of him fitting his roll cage in because that thing's actually pretty nice. I'll find out what that is in a minute, ask him what brand that is, which is pretty nice. And yeah, we'll go see what he's doing now. What do you want to do? Just use wood screws. So I put new wings on it the other day, and the bottom, obviously my car's rusty as fuck so they weren't attached. So I bent them backwards so my side skirts can go on and fit properly. And as I bent them backwards, it's lowered it where the tyre wall is, and it's constantly scraping my tyre wall now. So I need to lift the front of my car up a bit. Ignore that.
These are brand new tyres.
How you feeling, Matthew? Tired? Can't be arsed. You need to go at a steeper angle than that. Drunk people, eh?
I know, right? Why would you ever drink?
I try with him everywhere he goes. Show him your portable charger.
No, man.
Show him your portable charger.
Does it work?
Yeah, but show it him. It's impressive. Show it him.
This is like a 70 quid charger.
Right, show it the charger. It's a drill battery.
No. Trip or drown. I smell decaf.
I smell never had a cat.
Sam to the rescue. Update on the Escort then.
No. The update on the Escort. Stevie Wonder, give it a brilliant MOT.
Stevie Wonder.
Mate, wasn't even Stevie Wonder, it was fucking Ray Charles.
Ain't my job.
Chuck it in. So, right, today's episode of My Name's Harrison and I Can't Finish a Build.
I have plenty of builds and they're all done.
Yeah, none of them are finished.
The van's... No, it's not.
The van's missing 2 wheels.
It's because they both cracked.
That's because you buy fake Varenes.
My friends.
This is what happens.
My friends are the only real ones that anyone's ever
He
seen.
bought reps.
I didn't buy reps.
He bought reps.
I don't own a single set of reps.
Every single set of your wheels are your VSKFs.
VSKFs,
Reps.
Vareins,
Reps.
TSWs.
Reps.
TSWs might be reps actually.
They are. I checked.
Of course they are. From a scrapyard.
No, I mean TSW is the brand.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they rap. Yo, rap.
But they make Venoms, and Venoms are cool.
Venoms are gay. Do you want to film how he's jacking this up? Through the gap in his bumper.
Right. That is the only bit I can get leverage on the bar with jacking it up on something that it will support the weight of the car.
Your master's got a tongue, mate. He's got a lollipop.
It's Halloween.
Sick.
It's Halloween.
sick.
It is now, yeah. What's wrong with your van, Harrison?
Nothing.
Making a lot of dings.
That's because you've not got your seatbelt on.
I think you'll find I do.
Nearly dropped his keys.
You what?
Nearly dropped his keys.
Why are we back at Sam's house?
Because he didn't bring a brake over.
You know which one it is?
One of these two. It's this one.
I don't think it is.
I'm gonna call Sam. Because two doofuses can't
No,
unlock
just
the
one.
door. Have you tried?
No, that's why I'm not. That's why it's one.
I've just called you.
That explains how you're the doofus.
Hello.
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 I've turned the key on your door and it doesn't open.
Turn it to the left, you tit. You in?
Yeah.
Idiot.
Does he need a socket as well, or has he got one?
Pretty sure it's gone.
I'll show him Matthew's new clocks.
Yeah, Matthew's got some new clocks.
30,000 miles on them.
31,000. How many miles does this car actually have?
About 131,000.
1 car, 2 car, 3 car, 4 car. Trailer with Matthew's lovely wings.
Interested in your filming, man. I don't have any insurance, don't have any tax, don't have any MOT.
And your name is?
Oh shit, it's the police!
Alright, messing with me.
Literally 2 minutes down the road.
I live at the top of the road and we just left.
Yeah, this
Idiots.
this car what's here, it's broken down. They're trying to fix the wheels. The front wheels bag of shit. You want it?
I don't think anyone would steal it if they could.
Bye, mate. Oh, there we go. You're gonna have to move. Yeah.
Check it was the car.
It was that you put police sirens on. No, I thought, no, because before I went, anyone want to help me steal these wheels? And you went, nah, because police will turn up. And look,
I called it.
Oh, say he's good luck with that.
Gonna need it.
Have you got it like that?
What's that?
How's that happen?
His wing wasn't attached when we first lowered it, and then we had to attach it to put his side skirts
because
on,
we put new wings on.
and then now it's too.
And now he's trying to find
too
somewhere to
non-
jack it up through the front of the bumper.
By error.
Mate,
I know.
it's his first MX5, we have to allow it.
Well, at least he started with some shit, hasn't he?
See you in a minute. Not better doing the video. Lad, mate, you just got told you can't shit by an officer.
Getting pulled over.
Fucking transport police and everything.
I'm not even tight.
Mate, just
You just wheel spun out the junction.
Pulled over for fixing car. That was probably the nicest police officer I've ever spoke to.
Hello. PC mother.
Please tell me he's not jacking off. It's something.
Yeah, no, that's exactly what he's jacking up on.
Are you? No, I'm not.
Mate,
I might.
what's underneath your engine?
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh, Matthew, you pillock.
No, I went to you. Is it safe? Because I hadn't had a proper look, and you went, yeah.
We're gonna hear crack.
No, you're
And then
fine.
we see
Your
a lot
car's
of
going
oil.
up. You should have just told me to bring the ramps down.
Is it my front?
It's a subframe.
Your sump's above the sump.
Mate, my heart sank.
Mine
My
did.
heart sank. Mine did, because 2 minutes ago you had the police sirens on.
As you came past, Nino. My first. What's going through your head, Matthew?
Speak. If I'm engaged, will my wheels still be spinning freely?
Well, it's
They will be. Yeah.
Rear wheel drive. Rear wheel drive. See, that's my son.
Race car.
4-wheel drive MX5.
Just.
James, you see worse stuff than that.
Your wheels are spinning freely.
Oh, no!
Get in the arch, lad.
Now I'm watching back to it. You're not giving it much room.
Matt saw it.
There's a car coming.
Messed up the time continuum, so he was
Some of those were skits.
I know.
I'll give you some of them.
Did well, Dave.
I think it's time to go. I smell one-wheel peel.
Driving in circles.
And I nearly lost my license for that.
Whose photo was that?
Yours?
No.
This was in a time where I had an MX5.
That looked very similar to my car. And Sam got...
The same as Matthew's, but Mark II.
Yeah. It looked very similar to my car, and I did some things that could get someone pulled over, and allegedly.
And I drove in a circle.
And Sam drove in a circle and got pulled over.
Open diff life.
Okay, man. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Alright, another intro that I've not filmed. But I am filming this one a couple hours after the last one. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.